Na ako'y question ninyo ba? What would you do tomorrow to make a change? Kanindot sa pumuntaan na sa? Beko no? Unsay kaya nimong buhaton ugma to change something or to change your life, or at least bisag ginagmay man lang, unsay kaya nimong buhaton just to make a change? Beko no? Kiba mo, ang kanindot manggod ani is we have the ability to control our life. We have the ability to change our life. Ang kinahanglan ng ginatong buhaton no is to decide right now, and forever you can change the course of your life. Kana ra gyud. So mao na, if you don't like your work right now, change it. If you don't like how you dress, change it. If you don't like the circle of friends you have right now, kay wa sila nakatabang sa imuhang goals, wa sila nakatabang sa imuhang personal development, then change your friends. Find a mentor, find a kanang mga maayo nga circle of friends nga same mong mindset, same mong pagunahuna. Ngay nana ba? Unya, mao mo guna kung wa ra tay plano ugma, guess what will happen in the next 5 years of your life? Be, say may tabo. It will be the same just like the last 5 years of your life. So mao na, kinahanglan karon una-una gyud ang pagtaman. If wa na kakauyon ana imong status ron, then una-una gyud o kani isod gyud ni sa imong alimpatakan. Walay lain tao makatabang nato kundi atong kaugalingon ra. So it's time for change na gyud. Kay mao lagi na ako giingon balik-balik, for things to change, you have to change. And if you want something different, then do something different. Alright? Peace.